Today I'm going to show you how to do these beautiful, sparkly mermaid nails, but first go ahead and subscribe to my channel and let's get into it. We're going to start out with nail prep. So first, before I do anything, I'm going to take a brush and rubbing alcohol and just clean my nails with them so all of my tools stay sanitized. Then I apply a cuticle remover to my nails and push the back of the cuticles just for longer retention and so none of my nails pop off. After that, to ensure all that cuticle is gone and just great adhesion, I like to buff my nails with this buffing block. I don't do too much here, but just enough for a sticky surface. Then I add a nail dehydrator. This one's from Gelish. I just like to make sure there are no oils on my nails. And after that, I use a nail primer. This one's from Model 1s. It works fine. It's not my fave, but it gets the job done. Now, before we get into the dip powder with gel method that I like to use, I have a whole video on that if you want to check it out. I like to apply a base coat first. Obviously, I don't want my nails to stain and I want these to last. We're going to cure them for 60 seconds. And then I'm going to add another coat of this gelish base, but I am not going to cure. I'm going to do an ombre using these two fluffy brushes. Always start with the light color because the dark color will overshadow it. So I'm starting with this beautiful light purple. I'm going to dip the brush in and tap the dip powder over. Once I like the way it looks halfway down the nail, I do the same thing with this sparkly blue. And then I'm going to cure that for 60 seconds. add another coat of base, and because this blue is just so opaque, I only need to use the lighter color, and also it helps build a little bit of an apex. Of course, I'm going to cure this and dust off when I'm done. And then I'm going to add a top coat and cure for 60 seconds, but we are not done yet. In order to make those lines of the shell, I'm going to use IBD hard gel and a dotting tool to create the lines. A liner brush may have been easier, but I am just a dotting tool girly. I just am. So whatever floats your boat, but you do know that hard gel is not as easy to place down as your regular gel polish, so you have to work it back and forth a little bit. I flash cure in between so I don't mess up any of the lines before I give it a full 60-second cure when I'm done. And then for the finishing touch, I use hard gel to adhere gems to my nails. I don't have pearls, I should have got some, but time crunch, summer's almost over. And then I use a top coat to tie it all together. And here are my results. Look at how beautiful these are. Please let me know your thoughts in the comments below, like this video if you liked it, and of course, subscribe for more nail videos. Bye!